Did you know that sweat doesn't actually stink? The bad odor we smell comes from the bacteria that live on our skin. These bacteria metabolize the proteins and fatty acids in our sweat, causing body odor. That's where deodorant comes in, neutralizing and killing the bacteria. Antiperspirants work differently. Instead of fighting the odor, they bypass sweat altogether, blocking your pores with aluminum. This way, without sweat, the bacteria have no proteins or fatty acids from which to make the stinky smell. Sometimes you can buy a product that is both a deodorant and an antiperspirant. If you buy these products, you should know that they have certain health risks. Certain studies have already proven that the aluminum that is applied topically through antiperspirants with aluminum salts, such as aluminum hydrochloride, aluminum chloride, or aluminum zirconium complexes, can be absorbed into your body. All of these compounds can have toxic effects on your body in certain quantities. The worst part is that we are constantly being exposed to aluminum due to the use of kitchen utensils, containers, appliances, and construction materials. And that's where it becomes dangerous. Humans absorb aluminum through their skin. A study from 2001 shows that aluminum was still present in blood samples 15 days after using an antiperspirant. Once the aluminum enters your body, it spreads until it reaches your brain. The short-term side effects include memory loss, learning difficulties, lack of coordination, disorientation, mental confusion, cramps, heartburn, flatulence, and headaches. Research has shown that there is a higher incidence of Alzheimer's in people who have more contact with aluminum. A good way to avoid contact with aluminum is to use an aluminum-free deodorant, preferably made with natural ingredients. Here is how to naturally avoid body odor. Recipe 1. Ingredients: the peel of 3 lemons, the peel of 3 oranges, 1 liter of water, 3 spoonfuls of baking soda, 1 cup of sea salt. Instructions: grate the fruit peels and boil them in the water. Strain the mixture and let it cool. Add the salt and baking soda. Mix it well and store it in another container. You can use it under your arms or on another area of your body. You can even use it in your bath water. Recipe 2. This natural deodorant is made with lemon and is very effective. Ingredients: 100 milliliters of water, 20 milliliters of 90% alcohol, 4 spoonfuls of rosemary, 5 drops of lemon essence, 10 drops of witch hazel extract. Instructions: boil some water, and when it starts to boil, add the rosemary leaves. Turn off the stove and let the liquid sit for about 10 minutes with the lid on. Add the alcohol, lemon essence, and witch hazel right after that. Mix well and store in a glass jar. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.